Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Talk YouTube channel. Here you are seeing Samsung Galaxy A16 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to interchange notification panel open and quick settings open. So how to change panel settings in your Android 15 enabled Samsung phone. So what you have to do, go to on the right side of our phone here and swipe down. You will see the opening of quick settings only. Okay, no notifications will be opened. Okay, if you open in the left side here, then only notifications area will open. Okay, so before Android 15, both will open at the same time. First quick settings, then below you will see all notifications. Okay, so if you would like to change this interface, go to the right side and swipe down and click on this pencil icon and click on panel settings, and here if you select it together, it will open together. That is quick settings and notifications will open together. See the changes now. Click on done and go to the home page. If you swipe anywhere, it will open. See, so like you open before in Android 14 or previous version. Okay, suppose if you would like to interchange, then what you have to do, just go to the notification area, that is a quick settings area, and click on this pencil icon and click on panel settings and keep in separate, and here quick panel on the left side, just turn on this so that this quick panel will be opened while swiping in the left side, top left side. Okay, if you swipe the middle, it will open notification. Okay, left side, so leftmost side will open quick settings, then only this portion will have quick settings. Okay, then here notifications, here also notifications, so quick settings will shift to the left side instead of right side. Okay, so in this way also you can interchange things like quick settings and notifications. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.